Okay, in this video, what we're gonna do is learn how to do a quick animation of a ball bouncing, just like the one that you see here. So I am in the DoInk animation app. I'm in the gallery view. And what I would like you guys to do is tap on the plus sign, and we are gonna do a new drawing. From here, you want to look at the handout with the ball bouncing animation and follow along steps 1 through 7, and then we'll focus on steps 8 through 13 next. I find it to be really helpful to have as many frames for this one showing before and after as possible. So I'm just gonna up that to 6 and up it to 6 on both. Okay, sometimes that's distracting, but on this one, I think it's really helpful. We are gonna be using the, well, how about this? You can pick. If you would like to use the brush tool and have your ball be empty in the middle, you can do that. Or if you want your ball to automatically fill in as you draw it, you're gonna use the pencil tool. Your decision. And so before I start drawing it, if I want the color pink, cool, I can use pink. Or if I wanna select another color, I can do that. Or maybe on this one, we'll do a gradient. So I just tapped on the colorful square. I tapped on gradient, and I'm gonna kind of like swipe through here, pick a gradient that I like. And I really like that. I think that's pretty. I am going to, oh, maybe not that. That one's pretty cool. Okay, so I'm gonna go with that. And I have the pencil tool on, so I know that it's gonna fill once I make that circle. Okay? Okay, so I'm gonna start with step number 1 with that first circle. So I'm gonna do that right here. And that is layer 1, okay, or frame 1, I'm sorry. So frame 1 of 1, you can see that down at the bottom right here. And I'm gonna add in a new layer for every single ball, for every single time I want the circle to look like it's moving. So I'm gonna tap down here on this plus sign, and you can see it says second frame of 2. So we can see the overlay right here, and I'm gonna keep drawing. I wanna kind of follow along with the handout. Here's the second ball. Now I'm gonna keep going. Tap the plus sign again. I'm gonna do the third one, and those 3 are kind of overlapping just a little bit. Tap the plus sign onto the 4th frame. Here's the 4th one. I'm gonna tap the plus sign. I actually feel like I need more space, so I'm gonna pinch and make my whole animation a little bit smaller. You can still see those ghost frames though, those overlays. So that's 4. Now I'm on step number 5. I'm kind of putting my pointer finger on step number 5 so I know where I'm at. Over on the handout, here's the 5th one. Tap the plus. Number 6, I want you guys to notice that it's actually not a circle, it's an oval. So I want to make that oval like that. Tap on number 7. Look at number 7. It's also an oval, but it's going the other way. So I'm gonna make my oval this way. Okay, so that's the first section, right? Steps 1 through 7. So I can play it and see, oh, there's my ball bouncing down, but now I want it to bounce back up. So I'm gonna go on to number 8, hit the plus sign, do the oval going the other way, hit the plus sign. Now we're back to circles for number 9. Plus sign again. Frame 10 is another circle. So it's kind of like the mirror image of what you did before. Frame 11 goes up here. Frame 12 overlaps a little bit, and frame 13 overlaps on the previous one a little bit. Okay, so let's watch that again. Now my ball is bouncing across the screen. So another thing that you can do is tap on the eye, and you can slow it down. Maybe I want to see what it looks like at 10 frames per second. It looks a little bit slower. I think I kind of like that. So now I can be done. I can hit share video, largest size, and it will share that. I'm gonna hit save video and have it saved over in my camera roll. I can double check that it's still there. And here it is. It's a really, really short 1-second video, but there it is. If you want to turn it into a GIF, which I suggest you do, we can do that as well. And then you can share it with me.